Here we've got Huawei Honor 9X, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first, just click on the square icon. As you can see here, you've got all applications that are currently active, that are running in the background. To close them all, just tap on the bin icon, and as you can see, your phone is now in optimal condition. If you will click here again, you will find no recent apps. So that's the first option to speed up your phone, to speed up your Honor 9X, and then just open Optimizer. At first you can click on Optimize, and then your Honor will be optimized automatically. Here it is, tap on Done to finish the whole operation, then go to Cleanup, and here give your device a couple of seconds. As you can see, it found some young files, and if you'd like to delete it, just tap on Cleanup. And as you can see, it has been cleared. Then you can also perform a virus scan. Just click here. Actually, this device is secure, but if there will be any issues, any virus, it will be found and then removed by this virus scan feature. And it will also definitely make your phone work faster. So this is it. This is how you can speed up your Huawei Honor 9X. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.